Hello guys, this is Mortuary International Company. Today I would like to introduce the swing reduction for the Caterpillar e320c and D. Here the total 16-hole connection with the swing model. And there are total 15-hole connection with the body. Among them, they have 2 positioning hole with thread and 13 hole without the thread. And the sun gear, they have a total 20 teeth and 21 spline. On the gear ring, they have a total 33, no, that's total 73 teeth. And the shaft is 14 teeth, and the outer diameter is 167 mm. If you are interested in our products, welcome contact us by email is mortuary@gmail.com. Thank you.